Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. Through this video, I'm going to show you how to top up your OVO Cash Balance. So, first thing first, open your OVO app on your phone. And then here at the home page, you can see there is a top up menu at the top. Just tap on that. And then if you want to do top up, there are two methods. There is through some merchant that OVO provided, or you can just do the instant top up just by choose the nominal, and then for example just like that, and then you can add your debit card here. And then later you just need to click on the top up now, or you can also do the top up through this merchant just through the ATM or through the internet or mobile banking, or through the merchants such as marketplace or etc. Or you can also choose in the mini market. Okay, so that is how to top up your OVO Cash Balance. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.